Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to set up Binance P2P payment method in the Philippines. So let's dive in. Now first, you want to log into your Binance account and make sure it's fully verified. If your account isn't verified, you won't be able to use nor edit your P2P features. But once that's all done, from your homepage, you want to click on the three-line icon at the upper left corner of the screen. From here, you want to click the icon at the upper right corner of the screen. This is the settings menu. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down and choose payment methods. From here, you'll already see the option to choose P2P payment methods. So what you can do is simply click that and choose add a payment method at the bottom. So as you can see, this account isn't verified yet, so it'll ask me to verify. Though it has options to skip for now, but you want to make sure that you're verified because still you can't use this feature if your account isn't verified yet. So once you have verified and you're in the option to add a payment method, you'll see several options there, such as bank transfer, Gcash is there, CIMB, and other payment methods that you can add. So then, once you've chosen the payment method you want to add, simply fill in the details and you should be done. That's it. Now you know how to set up Binance P2P payment method in Philippines in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!